A Jamaican woman living in New York recounts her near-death COVID-19 experience.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Jamaican-born woman who has been living in Brooklyn, New York for 16 years said she had a near-death experience when she contracted the coronavirus. 49-year-old Karen said that she had no idea she would live to tell her story. She is now recovering in hospital and is warning her fellow Jamaicans to take the virus seriously. Jamaican, listen to the Prime Minister, please. People are dying. I was on my deathbed. It is just the grace of God, she said. Karen said she started showing symptoms on the 20th of March. When her condition did not improve, she got tested on the 26th of March. She had the coronavirus. She said that COVID-19 is unlike anything she has ever experienced. My fever was through the roof and I developed a terrible dry cough. Every time I coughed, I feel like my throat was on fire. Like every cough come with a tear in my throat. I remember thinking to myself, God, just take me and done. God, just take me, she said. The entrepreneur, who is also diabetic, said that her entire body was aching. She added, this is nothing normal. Believe me, when I had regular flu before, I was just hot and my temperature was high. With this coronavirus, I was debilitated. My throat felt sore, massive headache, and I had to be breathing through my mouth. It is like my nose wasn't mine. Imagine having a completely stuffy nose. Every time I tried inhaling, nothing. Karen was not able to eat hard food, so her husband was charged with supplying her with homemade natural juices at least twice a day. I could not swallow, so I had to drink a lot of fluids and shakes, thick peanut and oat shakes, and fruit smoothies to strengthen my system. Thanks to my amazing husband, I was also drinking a lot of water and was just sweating it right out. In one day, I would drink 5 big bottles of water, she said. Currently, she's feeling much better than she was days ago, and her doctor continues to observe her closely. The following is a voice note purportedly of another Jamaican-born woman living in New York City, which was sent to her friend in an attempt to explain her experience.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Keisha, this disease here, I feel like I'm literally did I go dead. Literally. You don't want to sleep, none at all, because you want to control your breathing. You feel like if you sleep, you're not going to wake up. I'm not exaggerate. The worst thing ever happened to me in my whole life. I have 3 children, all natural delivery, no C-section, no sedative. On top of that, I have my children, them so young. My womb and my body not develop. You understand? On top of that, me have after pain, right? That means after the baby born, me still in a pain. And it's still not compared to this. This are the worst. The worst. You know when you take a deep breath and you feel your body go in and out, that not happen. Your lungs are cement. Oh, Jesus. Cement. When we go to the hospital, right? Keisha, I go to the hospital, and when the ambulance come for me, upon the ground me there, can't get the strength to stand up, peep up myself, everything in a one. We reach at the hospital, no nurse, no there for stop for talk to you, right? From them take your vitals and wheel you in a one corner. When me say corner, that me mean. Corner room not there. Oh God. The nurse them just a run past you. When me cough and wet up myself, me I try call them and me I say help. Just a minute. By the time them hear you, them gone, cause pure running, nobody now walk. You hear me? Oh, God. You see, stretcher when me come pan in the hospital. I want plastic kind of something and a fabric mattress. The plastic one. And you know, them give you one sheet on it. And when me cough and grab my chest, I'ma tell you some my ribs feel like it a go bust. Me roll from one end of the stretcher to the next. And me I tell you, me plop off the little piece of sheet off of it. So you know, some me dip on the so plastic mattress. When you peep upon it, you know, your skin suck on the plastic. I remember cold sweater wash me too. So my clothes wet up and glammy. And me I do the same time. Yeah? When me call the nurse them, nobody not stop for help you. Cause them just a run. When them finally come, 5 hours later, here, because them wheeling somebody beside me, and she did a cough, and she a cough, and I kick up her foot, and I grab her chest. The time when me I take for record this, me no hear no more coughing. The woman dead. When you look, they move out she and put somebody else. When me look, them put somebody upon the next side of me. And there's 2 toes, them wheel him out, him dead. Me say, okay, bad luck for me now. But then I lay down same way. And I tell you, it's traumatizing because one person come back. And when them come back, them dead beside me. And she say, you okay? And I say, yes. And she said, the coughing is the worst. And then I said, them a give her drip. And by the time them a give her drip, she dead. When I see everybody are dead beside me, and I couldn't breathe, I have to scream out for Jesus. And I have to say, 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. And I have to scream out for Jesus. This is not a joke thing. Me I tell you, when I start prayer, my mother, them send prayer per WhatsApp. Cause you feel like you got dead, and you got dead alone, cause no family can't come in the hospital. My mother send prayer. I'm somebody for play it. And me I play it over in the hospital. 2 toes them come and said them a discharge me. Jesus Christ. Me say, Jesus, oh them discharge you to the hospital. Eh? And you can't even breathe. The doctor come and say, there's nothing he can do for help me. Me say, me have to call my son. Oh, me reach home when me can't even walk. Me have to call my son. My son come in a mask and gloves and bandage up his face and carry me home. And me lock up in my room. That's how me there. For 1 week now, I'm in my room. This is not one easy thing. And I want to tell you so I feel a little better. I'm still sick. So, we just have to pray. I just feel like me I get better. But when me see in the hospital, I don't know when me I go recover and get over that. Traumatizing, me I tell you. It's not easy.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.